An exercise to demolish houses at Nyama Vila in Kayole turned chaotic after residents, led by their area MP, attempted to stop the exercise. Police lobbed tear gas to disperse the rowdy residents who claimed they had not been given a court order nor a notice to vacate. Mombasa Central MP Benson Gadiru was arrested during the fracas and was charged in court with incitement to violence. Rita Tinina reports.
This was the situation in Nyama Vila in Kayole. Police officers on one hand and residents led by their MP Benson Gadiru on the other in a standoff over the demolition of structures on a disputed piece of land, an exercise which began early morning.
The court has directed that an eviction be carried out. The court has also directed that any structure within the plot be removed.
Mombasa Central MP Benson Gadiru tried to stop the demolition exercise, demanding a demolition notice and a court order. He landed himself in trouble. The MP was arrested, arraigned in court, and later released on a 200,000 shillings bond. The more than 20-acre piece of land is at the center of an ownership dispute. But even the police who are overseeing the demolition exercise cannot put a face to those claiming ownership of the land.
That one I cannot tell because the owner is directed to the auctioneers.
Owners of buildings here say they are not aware of any dispute over the land.
Mimi niliingia hapa 2014. Sijaisikia hiyo case ati kunayo inaendelea. Mwenye aliniusia alikuwa ameusiwa na wale watu wa kwanza. So hata bibi akiniusia aliniambia shamba iko sawa sawa.
No, we were not given any notice. We were not given anything. In fact, people were going to work in the morning and they met a huge number of police telling them, "Nyinyi mnaenda wapi? Hizi nyumba zinaenda chini yote." Those are the notices we got.
The exercise caught residents, many of them tenants, off guard, with some claiming landlords had been given a notice but failed to notify tenants.
This new owner who's saying he owns 20 acres of this land and has displaced all the houses in this area. All I'm saying, can you stop the demolition today? Just stop it. Give it a 7 day. You know, Joseph, stop it for 7 days.
Rita Tinina, KTN News.
In other news, a bishop